Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to solve problem of the day from LeetCode, and today is 13th November 2024, and the problem says count the number of fair pairs. So first, let us understand what is a fair pair. A pair is called fair if given indexes I and j range from 0 to n, and also I is less than j, with sum of value at I and value at j will be greater than equal to lower value and less than equal to upper value. So we are given an index. So we are given an array, a lower value and upper value. So let us start by our intuition. So intuition for this is we'll count every possible pair and check if it is fair or not. But wait, we can do these for each pair by going for first and last possible fair pair. So the approach to solve this problem will be, first we'll sort the given element so we can find the first and last possible pair in log and complexity. Second, we'll iterate through each element and find number of possible fair pairs. Third, we'll add the number of fair pairs to the answer, and we'll finally return the answer. So first function will be to find the first occurrence of the lower value. So lower value can be greater than if it's not available in the array. And another function will be to find the last occurrence of the given element. Also, last value can be less than if the given value is not present in the array. And now the main coding part will be to sort the given array, and we'll use this equation. So for each array, we need to find the fair pair, and that will be lower greater than equal to nums of I plus nums of j is equals to upper. And we'll change this equation a bit by subtracting nums of I from the expression. So it will be lower minus nums of I greater than equal to nums of j less than equal to upper minus nums of I. So in lower, first appearance; in upper, find last appearance. That's our motive. Now the final answer will be is stored as 0 initially, and we'll create a variable called n which will store the size of the array. Now we'll iterate through every element in the given array. We'll store the current value in the variable v. Then we'll define the new range. The minimum will be lower minus v, and we'll store it in variable a. And the maximum range will be upper minus v. We'll store it in variable b. We'll find the first index of the first occurrence of minimum range. Either it can be first occurrence of the target element, or it will be less than. It will be greater than the target element. Next, we'll find the last index of the maximum range. It will be either last occurrence of the target element or less than the given value. We'll check if there's no such element. We'll continue, and if not, we'll find how many fair pairs can be created by these, and we'll add it to our answer and finally return our answer. So that's it. So time complexity of this algorithm will be O of n log n, where n is number of elements in the array, and space complexity will be O of h because we are using sort function. Now let's submit this code. As you can see, the solution is pretty efficient. I highly recommend you to like, subscribe, and share this video to help your folks learn about the LeetCode daily problem solutions. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.